Welcome. This video is for basic integrals for AISL. So let's do x. So only the formula that we need to do it out is x power n integral is going to be what? X power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Don't forget to write plus c. So over here n is 9. So it's going to be x power 10 upon 10 plus c. And for this one it is going to be 20 x to the power of 10 divided by 10 plus c, which is when you simplify 2x to the power of 10 plus c. That's going to be the answer. Next, after that, next part of the question, x power negative 9. The power is going to be nothing but what? Negative over here. So what am I going to do that one? It's going to be x to the power of negative 9 plus 1. How much is negative 9 plus 1? It's going to be negative 8. So we have to be very much careful over there. It's going to be x to the power of negative 8. Negative 8 upon negative 8 plus c. Then this one is going to be 16x to the power of negative 8 upon negative 8 plus c, which is going to be minus 2x to the power of negative 8 plus c. Then x cube integral is x power 4 upon 4, x cube upon 3 plus x square upon 2 plus 3x plus c. Now this becomes 4x to the power of 4 upon 4 minus 12x cube upon 3 plus 6x square upon 2 plus 3x plus c. You want to simplify it out, you can further simplify it out. 4 cancels, 3 times 1, 3 times 4, 2 times 1, 2 times 3. Then this becomes x power negative 2 upon negative 2, x power negative 1 upon negative 1 plus 3x plus c. Then 4x to the power of negative 2 upon negative 2 minus 12x to the power of negative 1 upon negative 1 plus 3x plus c. And E integral is going to be nothing but what? Ex plus c. And pi square is a number, pi square x plus c. That's going to be the answer for question number 1. Now coming to question number 2. So for the solving question number 2, first of all we have to get the question in the standard form. Integral of 4x to the power of negative 3 minus 12x to the power of negative 2 plus 3 dx. So the answer is going to be nothing but what? 4x to the power of negative 2 upon negative 2 minus 12x to the power of negative 1 upon negative 1 plus 3x plus c. So my final answer is going to be negative 2x to the power of negative 2 plus 12x to the power of negative 1 plus 3x plus c. Next is 8x to the power of negative 5 minus 12x to the power of negative 3 plus 6x. This answer is going to be nothing but how much? 8x to the power of negative 4 upon negative 4 minus 12x to the power of negative 3 of negative 2. Negative 2 upon negative 2 plus 6x squared by 2 plus c, which is going to be the answer as minus 2 upon x power 4 plus 6 upon x squared plus 3x squared plus c. Next one, write down in the standard form first. All are in standard form. Directly I can write x to the power of 4 upon 4 times 4 minus 2x cube upon 3 times 3 minus x square upon 2 times 7 plus 3x plus c. So my final answer is going to be x to the power of 4 upon 16 minus 2x cube upon 9 minus x square upon 14 plus 3x plus c. Now write down in the standard form 1 upon 4 x to the power of negative 3, 2 upon 3 x to the power of negative 2 plus 3. So answer is 1 upon 4 x to the power of negative 2 upon negative 2, 2 upon 3 x to the power of negative 1 upon negative 1 plus 3x plus c, which is going to be minus 1 upon 8 x power negative 2 plus 2 upon 3 x power negative 1 plus 3x plus c. Now integral of 3 upon 4 x power negative 3 plus 2 upon 3 x power 2. Then answer is going to be 3 upon 4 x power negative 2 upon negative 2 minus 2 upon 3 x power 3 upon 3 plus c. So that's going to be the answer. Now first expand this one. X times this entire thing. So x squared plus 2x. Next one 1 times this entire thing. So 1x plus 2 dx. So it becomes x cubed plus 3x plus 2 dx. So its answer is going to be x power 4 upon 4 plus 3x squared upon 2 plus 2x plus c. Now 2x squared times this one is 6x cubed minus 8x squared. 5x times this one is 15x squared minus 20x, and 1 times this one is 3x minus 4. So my entire integral will become 6x cubed plus 7x squared minus 17x minus 4 dx. So the answer for that one will be 6x to the power of 4 upon 4 plus 7x cubed by 3 minus 17x squared by 2 minus 4x plus c. Now you have to trifurcate into three fractions. So it becomes 2x to the power of 5 by x squared, 2x to the power of 5 by x squared plus 5x cubed by x squared plus x squared by x squared dx. So it becomes 2x cubed plus 5x plus 1 dx. So it becomes 2x to the power of 4 by 4 plus 5x squared by 2 plus x plus c. Next, 2x cubed by x cubed plus 5x by x cubed plus 1 upon x cubed dx. So this will become 2 plus 5x to the power of negative 2 plus x to the power of negative 3 dx. So it is the integral will become 2x plus 5x to the power of negative 1 upon negative 1 plus x to the power of negative 2 upon negative 2 plus c. You can stop it there because these are basic questions. I am not simplifying it further. Finally, it becomes integral of 2x power 7 upon 3x cube plus 5x upon 3x cube plus 4 upon 3x cube dx. So this becomes integral of 2 upon 3x power 4, 5 upon 3x power negative 2, 4 upon 3x power negative 3 dx. So this becomes 2 upon 3x power 5 upon 5 plus 5 upon 3x power negative 1 upon negative 1 plus 4 upon 3x power negative 2 upon negative 2 plus c. I'll try to simplify over here. So my final answer is going to be 2 upon 15x power 5 minus 5 upon 3x minus 8 upon minus 2 upon 3x square plus c. Always try to write it out answer in this standard form. Now f prime x is given and f of x given that f of 0 equals to 3. So when I do integral of f prime x, it becomes f of x. 6x square plus 1 dx. So this becomes f of x. f of x equals to 6x cubed by 3 plus x plus c. But what has been given? It has been given f of 0 equals to 3. So 3 equals to 6 times 0 cubed by 3 plus 0 plus c. So c equals to 3. So what's going to be the final answer? Final answer is 2x cubed from here. 2x cubed plus x plus c is 3. Question number 4. F double prime x is given. If I do the integral of f double prime x, it becomes f prime x. So integral of 12x square dx, which is, so f prime x is going to be nothing but what? 12x cubed by 3 plus c. So f prime x is going to be 4x cubed plus c. But f prime 0 equals to 3. So 3 equals to 4 times 0 cube plus c. So c equals to 3. So what is f prime x will becomes now? 4x cube plus 3. Next, if I do integral of f prime x, it's going to be nothing but what? F of x. So integral of 4x cube plus 3 dx, which becomes 4x to the power of 4 upon 4 plus 3x plus c. So now f of 0 equals to 2. 2 equals to 0 to the power of 4 plus 3 times 0 plus c. So c equals to 2. So what is f of x will become? X to the power of 4 plus 3x plus c, because this 4 and 4 can be cancelled. Question number 5. F prime x is given, f of 3 equals to 0, find f of x. So in order to find f of x, what am I going to do? Integral of f prime x. So which is integral of 1 minus x square dx, which is x minus x cubed by 3 plus c, which is f of x. Now 0 equals to 3 minus 3 cubed by 3 plus c. So this gives me c equals to 6. So what is f of x? F of x will be equals to x minus x cubed by 3 plus 6. Question number 6. dy by dx and y equals to 13 when x equals to 2. Find y in terms of x. So again, in order to find y, it is integral of dy, which is nothing but integral of x cubed plus 2x minus 1 dx. So it's going to be x power 4 upon 4 plus 2x square upon 2 minus x plus c. But y is 13 when x is 2. 2 power 4 upon 4 plus 2 square minus 2 plus c. So this gives me c value 7. So y equals to nothing but what? X power 4 upon 4 plus x square minus x plus 7. Question number 7. The curve f of x is passing through the point 2, 6. Next, given that dy by dx, find y. So y equals to again integral of dy. So integral of 3x square minus 5 dx. So it becomes 3x cubed by 3 minus 5x plus c. So 2, 6. So 6 equals to 2 cube minus 5 times 2 plus c. This gives me c value as 8. So y equals to x cube minus 5x plus 8. Question number 8. The curve with an equation passes through 1, 1 and it has a gradient f prime x. Find the equation of the curve. So again, in order to get f of x, what am I going to do? Integral of f prime x dx. So integral of negative 2x plus 3 dx, which is going to be negative 2x squared by 2 plus 3x plus c. And it passing through 1, 1. 1 equals to minus 1 square plus 3 times 1 plus c. So c equals to nothing but what? Negative 1. So what is f of x will become? Negative x square plus 3x negative 1. Now this is definite integrals. So for that definite integrals, what are you supposed to do it at is using the Casio 9850 graphing calculator. So I'm not showing any analytically because for AISL anyway graphing calculator is allowed. So I'm trying to do by graphing calculator. So for that, what am I going to do? Go to calculator, then press menu, then run matrix, which is run matrix 1, then press F4, then what is this again? F4. Then automatically integral with the limits will be displayed in the calculator. So use that one. You should be able to get that answer as 1 upon 10. Check your answers over here. For this answer should be 2 and 1 upon 2, 3, 16, 14, 4, 6, 10, 12. Check your answers whether you are using the calculator in the appropriate way or not. 50, 50, 10, 6 and over here Over here, this you cannot do by calculator. So therefore, integral of 1 is x from a to b. Substitute the upper limit minus substitute the lower limit. Question number 10. This becomes 3x cubed by 3 plus x from 1 to a equals to a. Plug in a cube plus a. Substitute 1 cube plus 1 equals to a. So a cube in terms of a is not equals to a in terms of a. So what does it becomes? A cube plus a minus 2. That is part A. Coming to part B, 6x cubed by 3 plus x power negative 1 by negative 1 from 1 to b. So 2x cubed minus 1 upon x from 1 to b. So 2b cubed minus 1 upon b minus 2 minus 1. So 2b cubed minus 1 upon b minus 1 is going to be the answer. Question number 11. K to 1. So one integral is x plus x power negative 1 upon negative 1 from 1 to k, then equals to 3 upon 2. So x minus 1 upon x from 1 to k equals to 3 upon 2. So k minus 1 upon k minus 1 upon 1 equals to 3 upon 2. So k square minus 1 upon k equals to 3 upon 2. So it becomes 2k square minus 2 equals to 3k. So 2k square minus 3k minus 2 equals to 0. Then use the graphing calculator to get the value of k. So k should be equals to 2. That's going to be the answer for question number 11. Now coming to question number 12. 12 to 17 are mainly for HL because this video is only for SL, so I am not doing from 12 to 17. So I am going to do question number 18. Write down the integral which represents the area of the shaded region. So integral, it is starting from 0, and obviously this is 1 minus x equals to 0, so x equals to 1. This point is going to be x equals to 1. 12x square times 1 minus x dx. Find the area, use the graphing calculator to use that answer. Answer should be 1. Now let R be the region. Write down the integral for the region. So it's going to be integral of 0 to 2. How should I know it is 0 to 2? We know that 6x minus 3x square x-axis means should be equals to 0. Take 3x common, 2 minus x equals to 0. So x equals to 0, 2 minus x equals to 0. So x equals to 0, x equals to 2. Then negative 3x square plus 6x dx. Use the calculator to get that answer as 4. Question number 20. Sketch the graph of the following. So this negative 3x square will be a graph which is upside down, and y equals to 2x is going to be the graph passing through origin. So I want to, this is approximate graph. So what can I do it out is, I'm going to the graph and then do negative 3x square plus 8x and y equals to 2x. So I'm going to get a graph. This is negative 3x square plus 2x and y equals to 2x. So I want to shade this region, and which is R. Write down an equation for the expression. So it becomes from 0 to this point of intersection. What is this point of intersection from the graphing calculator? This point of intersection is 2. X equals to 2. So from 0 to 2, negative 3x square plus 8x minus 2x dx. This is the equation. So it will integral 0 to 2, 6x minus 3x square dx. Use the calculator for part B. You should be getting the answer as 4. Question number 21. F of x and g of x is given. Write down an expression for this. So when you draw the graph over here, and g of x is 2x, we can see that this point of intersection minus 3x squared, so I go back and plus 8x plus 2x. Write down an expression which represents the area of the region S. Now between the x-axis, now this time, it's going to be x-axis, this entire region. So what am I going to do it is this line. I draw this straight line. Till here, it is only straight line. So this point was 2. So from 0 to 2, it is only 2x dx. But for this part, from 2 to what is this point of intersection? You should know this point of intersection, negative 3x squared plus 8x equals to 0. So 3x squared equals to 8x, 3x equals to 8, x equals to 8 upon 3. This point is 8 upon 3. So from 2 to 8 upon 3. And it is going to be the curve, which is 8x minus 3x squared dx. So for part B, find the answer 148 upon 27. Question number 22. Find the area between this curve and x-axis. So for part A, find the point of intersection of the curves. So it will be at x equals to 2 and x equals to 8 upon 3. So from 2 to 8 upon 3. So what am I going to do? Use the graphing display calculator to graph the one, what was that? 2 plus x minus x squared. So it looks in this way. 2 plus x minus x squared, and the x-axis. So this will be negative 1 and this will be 2. So from negative 1 to 2, 2 plus x minus x squared dx. So go back to the calculator, F4, and again so it is going to be 2 plus x minus x squared, and the lower limit is going to be negative 1 and the upper limit is going to be 2. Plug in that one, you should be getting it out 9 upon 2, which is 4.5. Area between those two curves. So plot the curve. That one was part A. Part B, 3 plus x minus x squared and 3 minus 3x plus x squared. So when I plot the curve, it should be approximately in this way. The first one should be in this, and the second graph should be in this way. So where are they intersecting it out? They are intersecting at 0 and 2. 0 and 2. They do intersect at This is the shape of the graph. They do intersect at 0 and 2. 0 and 2. Then I use the calculator to solve that one and use the lower limit as 0 and upper limit as 2, and then I'll be getting it out the answer as 44 upon 3. 6x 6 oh, the solution, let me check that. So integral 0 to 2, upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve is 3 plus x minus x square, minus lower curve is 3 minus 3x plus x square. Then it is dx, so it becomes integral 0 to 2 4x minus 2x square dx. So it's going to be 8 upon 3, which is 2.67. Find the area between the curves. Area between these two curves. We can see that part C is also the same, because when I do upper curve minus lower curve, 2 plus x minus x square, 2 plus x minus x square minus 2 minus 3x minus x square, 2 minus 3x plus x square dx, it's going to be the same integral 0 to 2, the same point of intersection, and it is going to be same 4x minus 2x square only. Its answer is also going to be 2.67. Now question number 23. Find the x coordinate of A and B. From the calculator, this value will be 0.753 and this value is going to be 2.45. Write down an expression for the area of the shaded region from 0.753 2.45 y dx, and calculate the answer. The answer, when you use it out, it becomes 1.78. So we don't know the equation, or if you know the equation, you should be writing it as 2.45 x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 7 dx. Question number 24. Between the total area enclosed between this one and the x-axis. So what am I going to do? I'm going to plot this one. What was that? X to the power of 3 minus 7x square plus 14x minus 7. When I plot this one, I get a graph approximately like this. Then I find point of intersection. Roots, when I find it out, this root is going to be 0.753, 0.753, and the next root is going to be 2.44, and the next root is going to be 3.80. 3.80. So what am I going to do? From 0.753 to 2.44, x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 7 dx. Then from 2.44 to 3.80, though you get negative, absolute value you should use x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 7 dx. So I use the calculator. So the first one is nothing but what? X to the power of 3 minus 7x square plus 14x minus 7 dx from the limits 0.753 and 2.44. So remember, you should get full calculator display. But over here, I'm using it at only the round figure, but you should be using full calculator display. So this answer is going to be 1.778. 2.85 plus absolute value. The next one is change the limits. The limits is from 2.44 till 3.80. So you'll be getting minus 0.9869. So plus 1.7785. So which is going to be 2.77. So answer is 2.77.